Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a summary of a research paper. First, begin by reading the abstract and introduction to grasp the core topic and the author's main argument. Next, skim through the discussion and conclusion sections to identify the primary findings and their implications. This initial overview helps you understand the paper's overall structure and its most critical contributions before diving into the details. A good summary captures the essence of the paper. Start by clearly stating the research question or hypothesis the authors aim to address. Then, briefly describe the methodology, perhaps in 1 or 2 sentences, focusing on the approach rather than intricate details. Finally, present the most significant results and their implications, ensuring you accurately reflect the author's conclusions without adding your own interpretations. When writing your summary, aim for conciseness and clarity. Use your own words to paraphrase the information, avoiding direct quotes to prevent plagiarism. Structure your summary logically, ensuring a smooth flow between the introduction, methods, results, and conclusion. A typical summary might be 1/4 to 1/3 the length of the original paper's introduction, depending on its complexity. After drafting, meticulously review your summary against the original research paper to ensure accuracy and completeness. Confirm that all critical information, such as the main argument and key findings, is present and correctly represented. Also, check for grammatical errors and awkward phrasing to ensure a polished final product. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.